Everybody, and today I'm gonna be sheep hunting on White Noise Online with my friend Banana Stream 45. Say what's up, Churnt.
What's up?
My niggas. Okay. Let's go. Watch if you don't easily get your titties scared off.
These are uncluded. Oh crap. That guy's floating up in the air.
Yeah, where?
One of the game glitched out and one of the people flew up into the ceiling.
Whoa. Wait. That camera right there from an angle sort of looks like an elephant from far back.
Are you? Nope, that's not you.
Hey, where did y'all go? I'm still at where we started.
Coming, Logan.
I see you. I see our guy way down there. Which map is this?
Get down there.
Is this bunker?
This is bunker 51.
Yeah. Pretty much, guys, the objective to this is to stay away from the scary dude and find all 8 tapes.
I hear one.
Yep.
Stay away from the eggs.
Oh yeah, stay away from the sheep eggs, guys. I hear one.